Hey guys, this is Jessy and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's recipe, I am showing you a very yummy but very easy recipe of sweet corn. I first time tried it in Bangkok. It's a street food there, so let's see. I am boiling corn with salt only. I took 3 corns and used 2 tablespoons of salt. You can change it as per your quantity. I will boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then I will cover and keep it for 4 to 5 minutes in low flame, or you can stop the stove. In Bangkok, they serve as it is with only salt. It's amazing, obviously, but in Quebec, people like to eat corn with butter, and I am mixing my twist. So let's see. With melted butter, I am adding what? It's black pepper. With black pepper, it's become more yummy. It's a great combination. With butter and pepper, corn become more yummy and amazing. So I hope that you guys will try my recipe. I will directly serve in the plate. You can see it's very hot. I'm not just sharing a recipe, I am sharing with my memories too. In Bangkok, every day I tried it. I stayed there for 7 days, and in 7 days I tried, and it was really very awesome experience in Bangkok. One corn is 20 baht. Here also in Quebec, they sell one corn in $1, so it's quite costly. You can eat it exactly like Thailand. They serve like this with only salt. It's boiled. Try it, you will like it, I know, because I like it most. Because most of the time I like to eat like this. No butter, no pepper, only boiling. I'm just brushing butter over the corn and it's ready to serve. Look, it's looking so yummy. I hope you guys like my videos and thanks for watching. If you like, don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you didn't subscribe till now, do subscribe now and press the bell icon to never miss any update. If you have any question regarding any of my videos, don't hesitate to ask me. Do comment and I will answer all of your comments, no problem. Have a great day.